Hello. Want to do a room tour? Hey everybody. Welcome to the Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel. This is our first time staying at this hotel, which is very strange because this hotel is pretty old. It's one of the originals, so we're super excited to finally get over here. I will say up front, this hotel is not pet friendly. Unfortunately, only service dogs are allowed. It is part of the Marriott Bonvoy hotel chain, so you will need to book through the Marriott Bonvoy app. We booked through the D23 app actually, because right now they're having a special discount for D23 Gold members. So we got a D23 Gold member rate, which was pretty fantastic. It knocked it down to about the price of a value hotel here at Walt Disney World. So the Walt Disney World Dolphin here, this is a deluxe hotel and we're getting it for a value price. So right away, pretty good. I will say off the top, it does look kind of dated in here. They definitely need to do a little bit of a refresher, but you know what? We're getting it for a value price, so not bad, not bad. We get all the perks that you get with a deluxe hotel, and we're getting it for a value price, so really, can't really complain. We'll give you a little room tour here. Ernie's down here. Over here to the right as you enter is your closet, fairly large. You got your ironing board and some hangers. Nice luggage rack in there. Safe over here to the left. Steamer. Another little shelf up here for storage. Not bad. Close this. Hey bud, I'm gonna close this. Come on out. Come on out. There you go. Good job. I know you thought you found a little fort, didn't you? You thought you found a little fort. You were gonna make a little house in there. Okay, we gotta do the rest of the room tour. All right. And next to the closet is your little, I guess you would call this the bar area. The water bottles are complimentary, so that's cool. 2 free water bottles, awesome. You got your ice bucket, coffee maker for your coffee, and a very nice mirror so that you can check yourself out, make sure you look cute before you go off into the parks. And then over here to the left, you have the bathroom. Lots of towels, hair dryer underneath, good sized sink with lots of counter space, that's nice. Towels, got your soap over there. Looks like Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin branded hand wash, Warm Oak it's called, so that's nice. And you also have some body lotion over here and also some additional cups here on this little shelf, which is super cute. Then you have full bath over here. Got a bathtub, looks great. It's good for soaking. I like that artwork, that looks cool. And then inside the shower here, you have all of your bath products, should you need them, along with a couple of shelves for any bath products that you might have brought with you. There is also a nice full-length mirror here on the door. So that's great. Let's see if we got anything back here. Oh yeah, more towels, awesome. And a little rack, that's good. All right, excuse our luggage. We just got here, we just checked in. So this is a 2 queen. Looks pretty good, like I said, it's a little dated, you know. It's not the fanciest, but you know what? Deluxe hotel, value price. So you got 2 beds here. And then over here in the middle, you have your phone. If it starts to get loud right here, I might have to re-record. We got the air conditioning going pretty good. It's about 75 degrees right now, which is a huge jump from what we were experiencing in Chicago. It was about 25 degrees. So we're dealing with like a 50-degree difference. So right away, we're like, we need to turn the AC on. So we got that going. So I might have to, if there's audio problems, I'll put some captions up or maybe re-record the audio. We'll see what happens. We got our little tablet here in case you need to write any notes down. Telephone information with your hotel, right? All the buttons that you might need. Concierge, bellman, wake-up calls, room service, all that stuff. And then we got some nice plugs here with also a USB. So that's cool. And then back over here, nice TV, which we hardly ever watch TV when we're at Disney. We hardly ever turn the TV on, but it's nice to have. Then you've got 4 drawers for your storage, so you can unpack. Pretty great. And over here, you have a little mini fridge with another 2 bottles of water. They're also complimentary. There's no freezer section, but Bell Services will take care of you. If you have anything that needs to store in the freezer, just contact them and they will help you out. All right, got another lamp up here that also has additional plugs, which is great. Little desk over here in case you need to do some work. Trash can. A little chair over here in case you want to do some sitting. And then we'll check out our view, which is pretty good. We got a nice view of the Swan Reserve and the pool and the swan boats and Hollywood Studios. Look at that. We might be able to see the Hollywood Studios little fireworks that go off. That could be awesome. Yeah, pretty great view. Not bad at all.